Alright guys, today I'm unboxing the Apple M1 chip MacBook Air 2021, baby. Let's get into it. Now here it is on the table. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed, so let's go, baby. So I did purchase this from Best Buy. They were doing a cool promo. It was like $100 off. So I think it's originally $9.99, so I got it for $8.99. So that's cool. Oh yeah. Thought I would need this knife, but I guess not. Let's see, it coming off like this. I'm back. It's about to go down, guys. The anticipation on that, right? So this is what we get when we take the top off. Let's peel this off. Oh, the whole laptop comes out. All right. Let's put that to the side. Okay. Got the charger. Is this a brick? Nice. That's it for that. Let's see what's in this thing. Let's see what's going on, huh? The signature. These are actually, I got this in space gray, so I think these stickers are space gray to match it, which is pretty dope. And instructions. I'll read those. There's more. Oh no, it's just thick. This thing is thick, man. It makes me think there's something else in here. Because it's so thick. What the heck is in there? Cardboard. That's weird. Anyway. Oops. Let's see, does it just slide right out? Oh, peel out. Oh. Well, look at that. You guys are gonna see it before me. Let's see. Whoa. And it's on. Wow. Maybe doing an update or something. Got this little cloth right here. Look at that. So here's what I'm left with at the end. Laptop's ready to go. Got my stickers, brick, and cable. All right, guys, thanks for coming with me unboxing my new toy. See you next time.